Today we're making water kefir at Brown Earth Farm. Here we've strained the first ferment out and caught our first ferment water kefir. Our grains are safely in a stainless steel strainer. We're now going to start our next first ferment. 8 spoons of sugar to 8 spoons of grains into 2 liter. That's a ratio of 1 tablespoon of grains, hey horsey, to 1 tablespoon of sugar to 1 liter of water. Mix. And now, hey sushi, how's it horse? And now we're going to store that water kefir in the pantry, but not in direct sunlight. Moving on to our second ferment. This is the part where we add the fruit. This gives us flavoring and the carbonation. You can add extra sugar if you need additional carbonation. And of course you must feed your horse. Very, very important. Off you go. Add the fruit into the second ferment, seal your jar and allow it to ferment for 22 to 48 hours in your pantry, not in direct sunlight. If you need extra carbonation, simply ferment a bit longer or add a little bit more sugar. Oh yummy, look at that.